Okay, this is 7.2, probability of either of two events. And so first we have, first probability is the size of favorable outcomes over the size of possible outcomes. And also, this is on page 382, but probability of either of two events is, to find the probability that either of two events occur, you can add the probabilities of the events and subtract the probability that both events occur. For any two events, A and B, so it is right there. Oh yes, right here. Okay, stop it.
An example for a discrete probability is on page 383 when they talk about rolling dice. So when you roll two dice, the outcome is discrete. So you can use the equation that Megan already talked about to find the probability. One die has 6 sides and another die has 6 sides, so the total of possible outcomes is 36. There will be 10 outcomes with the sum of two dice, where the sum of two dice will be less than 5 or 5. So you use that equation and say the probability of the sum being 5 or less than 5 is 10 out of 36, and that equals around 0.28.
Some events cannot occur at the same time. Events like these are called mutually exclusive events. When you roll a die, the events roll a 4 and roll an odd number are mutually exclusive. The two mutually exclusive events that account for all possibilities are called complementary events. When you roll a die, the events roll a 4 and do not roll a 4 are complementary events. And these are the equations for mutually exclusive and complementary.
Filming.
Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing a mutually exclusive problem with cards. So there are 52 cards in a deck, and this is the equation that you use for finding the probability of picking a odd number card or a face card. And so this is it.
So there's 20.
And so there are 12 face cards, and you do that divided by the number of cards in a deck plus 20 odd number cards divided by 52 cards. And you add those together, and why don't you do that, pause that and do that problem. Alright, we're back. I don't have a calculator with me right now, so
You tell me.
you tell me.
Okay.
Action.
Some events are called. Should I start over?
No, keep going.
Can we edit it out? Actually?
Yeah.